I'm having some problems with my Duke. I've been letting my dad drive it, and he came home today not in very good mood and not let you hear it. Listen to this. What is this? Whatever it is, sounds really odd now. Yeah, I'm shutting off before it gets worse.